Bursting with full spirit of nature and earthiness, a warm, woody, and softly spicy aura surrounds this fragrance. Native to Southeast Asia, this orchid is truly the king of this fine genus. They are found in Singapore easily, in the wild, gardens, or many nurseries. It carries a scent resembling wheat, but with a touch of sweet and spicy nuances. Let's find out about the other components in this fragrance composition, with therapeutic orchids being one of them. As their name suggests, they produce a calming and grounding effect on the senses and emotions, helping to de-stress and relax. They are also reputed for their medicinal benefits and uses in traditional medicines. This therapeutic orchid, with its excellent display of beautiful flowers, is used very much in traditional Chinese medicine. It is useful in strengthening the lungs, stopping bleeding, and reducing swelling. Illnesses such as coughs, nosebleeds, and stomach ulcers can also be remedied with this herb. In India, scrapings of the stem are applied to treat cracks on the heel. The next orchid has proven itself to be a versatile healing herb. It has been featured in various countries for its abundance of medical benefits. In India, it is used to treat extreme swellings resulting from infection, fever, inflammation, burns, and even tumors. In China, this plant is consumed as a decoction to treat flu, ulcers, and remove stomach gas. Next, to make Woody 6 the serious and intense woody fragrance it is, an incredible blend of oak moss, carnation, white musk, rosewood, and lastly, vetiver are added for completion. Obtained from the lichen growing on oak trees, oak moss is a much beloved perfumery ingredient, mainly for its interesting scent palette. Earthy, woody, and sensual, with hints of musk, it complements harmoniously with other earthy, woody notes in the fragrance. Due to the nature of its scent, oak moss provides a soothing and relaxing effect while relieving any negative emotions. Used in perfumes since ancient times, vetiver is one of the most popular fragrance ingredients, and for good reason. Emitting a deep, earthy, and sweet and smoky scent, it works brilliantly as a base note and fixative in perfumes, encouraging a long-lasting scent. Studies also evidently show that vetiver essential oil can improve focus and memory, reduce stress, which in turn boosts levels of productivity and creativity. This is a really intense, rich, and enchanting fragrance that is suitable for the serious and professional men. It can be worn in almost any occasion and projects just the right amount of refinement and sophistication. And best of all, it has amazing longevity.